So I have had a happy accident possibly, and I'm going to show you that we might be able to make our mirrors work now with parts from our old ones to get the cameras working. And I had to pull the mirror out anyways because I wanted to wire up the turn signal. So when I pulled it out, it actually, one of the pieces of the cables broke apart, or fell apart. And I looked at them like, huh, this looks interesting. So I went to the inside where I had the other mirrors. So, let me shift around. So this is the old cable. And this is the new cable. Get this to focus. You can see they both have the 4 pins. So we're gonna literally take the 4 pin that came with it, chuck that, and have to get really, really far in there to install this. And it came with a, make sure this goes back on. This is the
boot.
The boot, yeah.
Well, that's gonna be fun. Because this goes on that piece.
Yeah.
That's not happening.
Yeah.
I'm gonna assume it's not gonna get water in there.
Okay, we'll skip the boot for now.
We know it's gonna get water in there, but we're gonna assume it doesn't get water in there.
So we're gonna get this hooked up. I probably have to put the camera down to help him hold things.
I got it.
You got it?
It is attached as long as we don't pull it.
I have it's accessory mode. The camera is working. Maybe? Here, I'll come outside, you can look. So we got the blinker figured out. I ran an extended cable up. And we're down here now. What color did you kick to which?
Red goes to white, and black goes to yellow. In the connector, which is weird. But
so there's a yellow up on the top too. One of them is a yellow and a blue.
And this one has red and black like so we're just matching that up, that's all.
Yeah, so one of them was yellow, the yellow and blue wires up there.
Yeah.
Go down to here.
Which they had a red and black, so it's just weird they did that.
Alright, so we have this now wired up to run both. I'm working on this side now. We'll get to back in a second. Alright, so we have the cameras hooked back up. And it definitely has way better quality. Still a little blurry, but it's not... We had static in our last version, so... Ignore the blinker noise. We've got a light. He unplugged it right now, so it's gonna do that. But cameras are better, and I can see again.